This is a demonstration of how the voltage regulation happens in the factory Mopar fuel level gauge and a Rallye dash. This has a mechanical sort of voltage regulation, so we'll watch and see what it does when voltage is applied. You see it fluctuates up and down, and I'm told if you were to average all these numbers, you would average out to 5 volts. This is what that mechanical voltage regulation looks like on an analog meter. This is my 5-volt voltage regulator to replace the mechanical shunt in my Rallye dash. This is a test. I'm using an old computer supplying 12 volts to the chip, and then we'll see what it reads when I turn it on. Nice steady 5 volts.